This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure core prerequisites are met. Windows 11 is updated, and you have admin access. Once done, open Settings, go to Apps and Features, locate Snipping tool and choose Advanced Options, then click Repair. That fixes many corrupted files without affecting your settings. Make sure to also force close the app in Task Manager if it's running. This ensures the repair applies immediately. After repair, test the app to see if the basic capture functions return. If repair didn't work, reset the app from Advanced Options. This restores defaults and often resolves stubborn errors. Next, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and open Microsoft Store to update the Snipping tool package. For system integrity, run dism with /restorehealth and then sfc/scano in an elevated PowerShell. These repair corrupted system files the app depends on. Make sure you reboot after system scans. These steps handle deeper OS-level issues that simple repairs cannot. When scans and resets fail, uninstall Snipping tool from Apps and Features and reinstall it from Microsoft Store to get a clean copy. After reinstall, verify the shortcut Win+Shift+S and app permissions for running in background. These affect quick captures. Test different capture modes and clipboard behavior. If problems persist, create a new local user to rule out profile corruption and temporarily disable overlays or third-party antivirus that can intercept screenshots. If that doesn't work, that one change often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.